Hey, what's up? This is Masada. Hey, guys, I've been having all types of crazy issues with my computer, but I think I finally got them right. All right, so basically, I want to show you guys, like, why is it y'all should mess with me? Why should you buy Masada kits? There's like thousands of other kits out there, right? Made by thousands of other sound designers. And I just want to go through and show y'all basically, you know, why it is I'm different. Okay, so first off, I don't just make one shot kits, like, and that's not just like a shot at anybody else. You have some geniuses out there, you know what I mean? But I just want to show that I'm a little different, not better, but just different. My kits, I make instruments, I make MIDI progressions. So if you don't know how to play, basically I make it sound like you can play. I'm very known for cycle kits. Now, what cycle kits are like every time you touch a pad, you get a different articulation, more like a real live drummer. And the benefit of this is it makes you have a natural swing, a natural groove to your to your production. So say if you're not really that good at getting that swing or whatever, my drums or my drum kits actually help you attain that with little effort. All right, so case in point, like, so we take this hi-hat here, right? Now, see, that's a open hi-hat. So look, you touch the pad, you get one open hi-hat sound. Now watch, as I lift my finger off the pad, I get another sound. Now look, I type it like very fast, I get a sound like that. Now I could, now slowly, look, I get a whole nother thing. You cannot get that type of articulation with any other type of kit except for a Masada Cycle kit. You know what I mean? And that right there will add, a natural feel or a natural groove to your production. Now, look at this right here. Holding it down longer, I get a longer scream. I let it up, it abruptly stops the sound. So you can basically like kind of adjust things to your own timing. You know. Now look as I touch this scratch sound. You know. Now, right now, and my drums also they smack. You know what I mean? So you're not like, it's not a kit of tricks. It's a kit of utility. You know, so. Now, see, so you can go through and say, like, my kit, you can't even sample off of YouTube or something else, because if you sample one of the sounds, you're basically missing the total experience, because each pad can have up to like maybe 8 to 10 other sounds associated with it. So yeah, you can go through and sample it, but you're not getting this full experience. I just want to show you guys that what you get from me is something different, something of value, something of purpose, and it would definitely help your music production. My whole thing is about giving you guys utility. You know what I mean? I'm all about character or whatever, so I'm not about getting the loudest drums or whatever. It's just about a character. I basically specialize in kind of like boom bap, but I have nothing against trap or anything else like that. But my sounds can be used in any musical genre, point blank, period. Look, I hope that helps you understand what it is I do better. And again, I don't just do cycle kits. I do MIDI progressions. I do instruments. I do a lot. I've been around in the MPC community for a long time. I'm the guy who invented Lazy Chop, Project Preview. I helped make the MPC exactly what it is now. I've done a lot. And I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. That's sincere. Respect always. And I'll be here to help you guys out with more tips in the future. Respect. Peace.